Yes, 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 yes. Your nation people. Are the general, the 10-star one. Yes, 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 yes. Sure does. Hear what I say right about now. Me does come off the fix live what them have with Likkle vibes and Likkle addi. Gaza Nation, me never gonna lie to you. Big man thing, me not even like the vibes. Yeah, between me and one, me not even like the vibes. You know what I mean? But here I go on. You have people who do them stuff different. And it's not everything what me do somebody I gonna like, or even most people I gonna like. Just like how people do stuff what me not like, you know what I mean? But me not really like the vibes. Because what I say, because instead of it becomes an interview, like establish the work where the youth them put out, because it's a form of where they call it, you know. It's a form of like promoting, you know, my brother. You see what I say? Because the youth them go there for talk about them album, which is right. You know what I mean? In a everybody eyesight. And on a lollipop thing that. But to all me say, this guy named Nara, I question the youth them about him, them personal life. I want up in a beer look a mix up business and them shit there. Or I am not saying, you know, people, you know, like Winford, Anthony Miller and them man there, you know, when them deal with them thing, you know. I'm not gonna say well then them no question artists about certain thing or whatever, you know. But come on now, man. You know what I mean? Right now, the youth them just drop an album. And I think the best thing what you have to do is, you know what I mean? Ask the youth them, question the youth them about music in general, my brother. Come straight down the line to them album, to the music them with them, to the song them, whether on the album, the Chaser song them, and all of them shit there. You want to know about baby. You want to know about baby mother. You want to know about trust. If the man them still trust popcorn, come on, my brother. Stop being selfish. Because all you do, my brother, I just look some form of gas up and propaganda. That mean your fucking thing sell off. You see me, you get all the numbers where you're fucking greedy for. Because that me see how work for, you know, my brother. And I like your work in the youth them best behalf, you know. Me see your work off of just the fix bumbucklad views, you know. That me see your run down, you know. You see what I say? But just give me a minute and make me drop the baddest thing on YouTube of the world. It's not a plan. What's what you are going, you know? Carefully, you know. Hey, yo, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what go already, you know. When I come for represent, full effecting, man. You don't know what go. When me load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me now. Are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. You know me not easy. I grade me smoke and me not burn beady. You see what I say? I walk me to some look of fast easy. You know what I mean? Like for sweep with them foot, it come like taking candy from a baby. No one do fix. You see what I say? No one do. Because in the end of your review, me hear you say a dancehall royalty in the building. If you know say a dancehall royalty in the building, where the fuck you not treat them and them like who them is? Eh? Where you question the man them and interrogate the man them like some look of fassies if I look for girl mix up or some shit like that. Or some gas up you deal with and a 2 man you deal with, my brother. A 2 young man you deal with and you as a big growing man, you know, my brother. I act like you don't have no testicle underneath you, you know, my brother. Me don't ever like that, you know. You act like you don't have no testicle underneath you. Me don't know where the blood clot you sit down upon, my brother. Eh? Eh? Yo, cut the fucking monarchy out, you know. Because we ain't in the show up on the business, you know. You know who you deal with, you know. You know a nation people you deal with, you know, but you don't care because of views you run down, right? Right? What the fuck Popcorn name have to do with the man them album, youth? Eh? Talk to me. Talk to me, nation people. Answer me. Because this little shisky bag nah go do it. You see what I say? Tell me where the fuck Popcorn name have to do with the man them album right about now. The man them not drop no song of this nobody in a nation people. I be a nice and structured song the youth them doing, my brother. You see what I say? So me no know where the bag of show pony business for, you know. And the bag of skinning up at it like you find something funny, you know. Yo, me no rate that, you know. You see what I say? Me no rate that, so me no know if you think in yourself you pull out the man them like how you pull out nail out a board. Me no know if that you think in a road, boy. But let me tell you something, you know. You see that way you do? Me no like that, you know, boy. You hear me? And the next time, you know, you buck up on some young youth like that, you know. Approach them with caution, you know, boy. Treat the youth them nicely, you know. You see what I say? Not dealing no farmer gimmicks business, you know. You see what I deal with? One thing why the youth them come on the fix, you know. Just remember that, you know. Have to promote them album and them album them come for discuss about, you know. So me no know where you find other channel fear ass cloud ask the man them about no personal question about them life or them relationship or whatsoever, you know, my brother. This shit supposed to be straight about them music, you know, and the album when them team difference, you know. You're supposed to dig up every argument and question how them come up with this song, why them title the song this way, what them think about the album, what them I look for from the album. You know what I mean? You see what I deal with? Ask the youth them about them music career, if them ready for take on the road, what the next move, how the soon self such and such time, where. But the blood clot you ask the man them about them personal business, my brother. Eh? Eh? You're a social worker. Where you ask the man about him kid and this, that. You're a social worker. Cause you have to be blood clot social worker, my brother. Yo, right now, to me, you're like a man parlor, my brother. You hear me, I say? You're like a man parlor, and that way you do, me not rate it. You always prove yourself that type of way there. Why you always prove yourself that type of way there, my brother, like you're not a real man? Like you grow with a bag of sister, and when you look around a ramp and play, you put on them bra and them drawers. Why you act like that? Why you act like a Felucci wear, my brethren? Eh? Me not like your feminine shit where you have in here, my brother. Those type of questions are better the woman, the girl. You see, if the girl that asks the man them question, I won't feel no for my way because I would understand, say, well, then a female and them shit. Me not tell you, say the youth them feel a way about it now, not at all, you know, because the youth them are youth. You see what I say? Me's a grown fucking man. And me know say there ain't no way you're supposed to ask the man them nothing about that. Because I know that bring the man them come for your program, my brother. The man them come for your program for promote team difference. And you run from that, gone in the man them personal business and baby business and trust business and all of them lollipop business there. So to me, it look like a gas up your look for your channel so you can go viral and you can shell with how much views because you pull out that question you out of the man and you and people like them type of gas up there. You see what I say? You know, see, when you get your story, oh, you and the girl can't close on the mouth, you just a kin on a blood clot teeth, just a kin off on a blood clot teeth, be skinning up her teeth. Eh? Cho, cho. Oh, fuck, man. Let me tell you this, you know, my brother. We not deal with lollipop thing, you know. And always remember, say, a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and black thing. You see what I say? Remember how World Boss set this thing, you know. Bass style, lyrics, metaphor, rhyme, silly me. Him use and make it, you know. So don't bother come with your lollipop question, you know, to the youth them, you know. A dancehall royalty you deal with, you know. A Gaza future you talk to, you know, my brother. Understand yourself, you know, youth. You see what I say? Anyway, at the general, the 10-star one, I represent. You know I'm hungry represent Gaza way. Because there ain't no other way. A 10-star general. What? Nation people. Cha. Oh, fuck, man.